How to turn off system ads on Android. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we're gonna see how you can easily turn off system app ads on Android. If your Android phone shows you ad in system apps, notification or settings, you can disable most of them from a few simple changes. First thing first, you need to turn off personalized ads for all of your Android phone. Go to settings. Then find security and privacy. Once you are here, you need to go ahead and tap on ads and turn on delete advertising ID or opt out of ad personalization. For that, you need to go ahead and tap on more security settings, and then you should find the ads option here. If you don't see it there, go back and go to more privacy settings, tap on ads, and from here you need to go ahead and reset advertising ID, delete your ID, and you can also try to enable debugging login for ads. Once that is done, you can also disable ads from Google Apps. For that, go to settings, and then from there go over to Google. From there, tap on all services, go to ads, and do the same thing from here. Once that is done, give your phone a quick restart by holding on to your power button and then tap on the restart icon and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.